Hey there, I'm reviewing the Wanafree Wireless Seamless Bralettes, a perfect combination of comfort and functionality. The full coverage design provides excellent support while maintaining a smooth and seamless look under any outfit. The padded cups are soft and give a natural shape without being bulky, making this bra ideal for everyday wear. The wireless construction is a great choice that eliminates any digging or discomfort, even during long hours of wear. The fabric is incredibly soft, stretchy, and breathable, which keeps me comfortable all day. Whether I'm running errands, working, or lounging at home, this bra feels like a second skin. It also washes well, retaining its shape and elasticity after multiple cycles. The wide straps and bands stay in place, ensuring a secure fit without rolling or pinching. If you're looking for a bra that's both supportive and comfortable, this is a fantastic choice. Highly recommend for women of all sizes seeking a versatile and reliable bra.